Hello and welcome. Now, in addition to videos, you can also work with images inside of CapCut. And if you have to create thumbnails or some kind of image to promote your video, you'll be able to do it inside of CapCut by switching over to the image side. If you stay on the home page, you'll see different elements that are trending in terms of tools that are being used. You can find these same tools available in the Magic Tools area. And for example, if you skip down to images, you'll see all the tools available to you in order to work with specific images. And some of these elements are going to be cross-posted into the business section. Some of these elements are going to be cross-posted into the AI section, and some of them are going to be cross-posted into the trending element. You can also sort for the element that you want by clicking on Images. CapCut will allow you to batch edit images. For example, we can click on the Batch Edit element, and what you'll see is that you can remove the backgrounds of images at one time. CapCut will show you how this feature works here by using sample images. And so basically, you'll see all of the images now on your timeline. We're going to click out of these elements. What you'll see here is when we click on each image, the background is then removed. We can then click Done. We can remove the background, then click Done. We can remove the background and then click Done. We can then reset all of the images at one time, and the images will then go back to their normal state. We can also go to the background element. We can then click Auto Removal, and then CapCut will remove all of the backgrounds at one time. And you'll see all of the backgrounds are then removed. So basically, what you can do, you can use the batch edit in order to edit out backgrounds to multiple images at one time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.